Good morning! So today we're going to play a game that is near and dear to my heart. Wait a minute, don't I say that every episode? They're all my loves. They're all my favorites. This one in particular is called Kung Fu Master. I think it came out in 1984. It was developed kind of like a rip-off video game version of Bruce Lee's Game of Death. But then they changed it up to have more elements related to the Jackie Chan movie, Meals on Wheels, I think it was called. And then they marketed it together with Meals on Wheels, even though it's got a lot of Game of Death references. It even has Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. I think he's the third level boss. But yeah. Also, I mentioned many times my ex-love of Kung Fu. Me, in a previous life, being a first degree master of Tiger Staff. But anyway, let's jump in and see. Apparently, I've never played the arcade version. I played the Commodore 64 version growing up, and I was the only one of my brothers that could make it to the end boss and beat him. But it's an arcade game, so it just starts over. There's no you win, I don't believe. Either way, apparently the arcade version is like impossible. Let's see how I hold up. Me, a joystick, 2 buttons. Here we go. Look, Thomas and Sylvia were suddenly attacked by several unknown guys. Hiya! Sylvia was kidnapped by them. Oh no! Sylvia! Hiya! Hiya! You love Sylvia is in custody now. If you want to save your dear Sylvia's life, come to the Devil's Temple. See, you can hear the Bruce Lee reference. What up? What? Oh jeez, that nearly killed me. Oh, right in that kisser. Cheating. Oh yeah. So the boss can still hurt me. What the hell is this shit? Midgets! My feelings, dude. Jesus. Go up the stairs, sir. Up the stairs. Ew, a bug. Ow. Who the fuck do you think you are? The guy. Crane kick. Why does Thomas not know how to defend? Oh, can you imagine playing this without cheats? My kung fu is strong! Baby! 18 milliseconds remained. Simba says, "Meow." A kung fu master, Thomas and Sylvia enjoyed happiness again for a little while. But then what happened? What? And so we beat the game. But again, Sylvia, much like Princess Peach, maybe just like Princess Peach, she actually is not kidnapped and is just enjoying an extramarital relationship. Who knows? My cat is wiggly. Okay, see you next week.